Guys, so in this video I'll be making this it's all metal. It's a battery fidget spinner. I also added these to it and it gives it so much better spin. Here, I'll show you. So this is just a regular skateboard bearing that is like really good with this. So let me show you how to make it. So I got the batteries and I got the bearing. So as you can see, you want it in a triangle and you want all of the batteries touching each other. Okay, here. So it's gonna look essentially something like this. And so all we need to do is glue it. Okay. So to just stabilize it, you might want to get the sides here too. Just let that cool off for a moment. Okay, so time for the next one. You're gonna get it to the side here. So it helps to look at the letters and see. Oh, so it's right below the R. And I like to glue the battery and then put it on. Okay. Add a little extra. And glue the tops together so it doesn't get unstable. Okay, so last one. Make sure you avoid the hot glue because it is hot. Okay, so we're gonna put the last one across like that. So, okay. Let's put it on. So pull the excess hot glue off, because then that might get in the way. So glue all the edges together. Okay. So let's take it for. So I just recently added an update. So I have these other two marble balls that I will attach to each end and hopefully give it better spin. Okay, so I'm just gonna hot glue the ends right here. And you want to add extra support on the sides because there's a gap there. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay, so this is the design. Like, I was just looking at this light, like the batteries were in this, and it just gave me an idea. Okay, so last ball, and I just found the balls around the house. You could blow on it to make it turn into solid again faster. Okay. One more side. Okay. So that is pretty cool. Let's take this one for a test. So it spins. I just tried it, but it wasn't on tape. But I will do on tape. I just tried it. It's The balls really help, like, on the sides here. Sorry. So it's really, like, it really helps it spin. Like, this bearing, like, it was not good. And then, like, I put these on, and it spins so much faster now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment what type of fidget spinner you would want me to make next.